And now more revelations coming to fore against IAS fraud Pooja. She used allegedly 3 addresses for disability quota in 2019 and 2021. She got mental illness and visually impaired certification done. Pooja used the Ahmednagar address for both those certificates. She got the locomotor disability certificate from Pimpri Hospital. 4th disability certificate attempt was rejected. So a clear bid to confuse the officers on every level. She has been filing fake, false documentation in multiple categories only to get into the UPSC EIAS. At this point, India Today has documentation to prove that she has lied. I'm going to cut across to Omkar Wable for more on that. Omkar, it's just shocking how every level of officer has overseen these details, not really cross-verified to see if these are true, because there are lakhs of students who attempt, and it's a real coveted post. To be an IAS officer is a dream for, I can only imagine how many. But if it's so easy to fake documents, then this modus operandi must be exposed.
Exactly, I can understand, but the thing is, in this Pooja Khedkar proved, it is already proved that already 2-3 times she tried to change her name. Again, there is manipulation in the facts. She tried to manipulate her documents. But now the big revelation is almost 3 times she tried to change her permanent address. So just she could get her multiple disability certificates from the different government authorities. So we'll go one by one, because in 2019 she went to the Ahmednagar district hospital, from where she received certificate that she was visually impaired. From same hospital into 2021, Ahmednagar district hospital and the local civil surgeon provided her certificate of mental illness. Later on, he combined both the certificate, visually impaired and mental illness. After that, when coming to 2022, she appeared in the YCM, which is Yashwantrao Memorial Hospital, situated in the Pimpri-Chinchwad part of the Pune. That hospital proved her that some ACL has tear and some locomotor disability is there, and that is why she received second certificate. Actually, we can say it was a third certificate of a disability from the government hospital. In that specific certificate, she provided local address from the Pimpri-Chinchwad. In the previous certificate, she provided address of her own hometown. And third and the final certificate, which was rejected by the Aund government hospital, for that she provided address of her mother's house, which is located where I'm standing right now, prime area of Pune, a model colony, Chanakya Housing Cooperative Society. So Pooja Khedkar, at each and every level, she tried to manipulate with the facts. She changed her address just that she could get those all certificates, and after that, after the getting certificates, she could able to apply in that PWBD quota, which comes under the multiple disability, and that is how she has become an IAS officer.
Wow. Well, she really knows the blind spots and used it to her advantage to get where she is. But Omkar, thanks very much for joining us.